Imagine pedaling through the city streets with your home right behind you. No gas, no rent, just you, the open road, and a tricycle. Sounds crazy? Well, artist and designer Kevin Cyr made it a reality with his camper tricycle, a unique blend of creativity, practicality, and adventure. This isn't just a bike, it's a fully functional, pedal-mannered micro-home designed for life on the go. Kevin Cyr, known for his fascination with urban landscapes and mobile living, took the concept of compact housing to an entirely new level. His camper tricycle is a striking fusion of art, engineering, and social commentary. Built on the frame of a sturdy three-wheeled cycle, this mobile shelter challenges traditional ideas of travel and personal space. It's self-sufficient, eco-friendly, and undeniably eye-catching. But what makes it so fascinating? Let's talk about its design. The camper tricycle features a fully enclosed living space mounted on the back of a tricycle, offering a tiny yet functional home for its rider. The exterior looks like a miniature RV, complete with windows, a door, and even ventilation. Inside, every inch of space is maximized to provide basic comfort. There's a sleeping area, small storage compartments, and just enough room for essentials. While it doesn't have luxury amenities, it offers a unique way to experience mobility and shelter in a single package. But this creation isn't just about function. It's a statement. Kevin Cyr designed it as an exploration of self-sufficiency, housing challenges, and alternative lifestyles. With rising urbanization and housing crises worldwide, the camper tricycle serves as a thought-provoking concept. What if we could live simply? What if mobility and shelter weren't tied to expensive real estate? This project raises important questions about how we view space, ownership, and freedom. Of course, this isn't your average camper. Unlike an RV or even a tiny home on wheels, this one requires no fuel, no insurance, and no special parking. You can pedal it anywhere a bike can go, making it one of the most accessible forms of mobile living ever conceived. It's lightweight, sustainable, and completely independent of traditional infrastructure. Plus, the human-mute aspect makes it an environmentally friendly alternative to motorized travel. But let's be real. Living in a camper tricycle full-time wouldn't be easy. The space is tight, there's no bathroom, and weather conditions could be a challenge. However, for an adventurous spirit, a minimalist traveler, or someone wanting to experience true mobility, it's an exciting concept. Imagine pulling over by a quiet river, locking your bike, and sleeping under the stars inside your tiny rolling home. It's not just travel, it's an experience. Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle isn't just a quirky invention, it's an artistic vision that blends sustainability, freedom, and ingenuity. It challenges the way we think about homes and the places we call our own. Whether you see it as an experiment, an art piece, or a bold solution to modern problems, one thing is certain. It turns heads and sparks conversation. Would you ride one? Let us know in the comments.